In this video, I'd like to talk about thermal conductivity. Thermal conductivity is a physical property, and it's the measure of the rate at which a substance transfers heat. And the demonstration I have two metal squares. Not metal squares, but two different squares. This one is made up of plastic, and this one is aluminum. This plastic has a low conductivity because it has it's made of plastic and it has some air gaps. And this is aluminum and it has a very high thermal conductivity. Also, you will notice that they are both the same temperature. If you measure the temperature, they're right around 70 degrees. This is 70 and this is 70, and they've been sitting at room temperature for a while. The interesting thing is if you touch the aluminum, it actually feels much cooler than this plastic block. That is because the high conductivity, my hand is warmer than the aluminum block, so it is quickly transferring heat to the aluminum. And this does not transfer heat, so it feels warmer. Now the real test is I'm going to place ice on both of them, and you will see which one transfers heat most quickly to the ice. So I'll put ice here first, and then I'll put some ice on the aluminum, and you can see the rate at which, remember they're both at the same temperature, but look how much more quickly the aluminum melts the ice. That is because it has a high thermal conductivity. That is why many of pots and pans are made up of a metal, and aluminum in particular, because they're able to transfer that heat to the food they're cooking. Look how much more quickly it is melting the ice. And then this plastic, or something that has air bubbles in it, is really good at insulation because it does not transfer the heat. So the heat from the outside of the thermos or the insulator does not go into the inside. And you can notice that the ice is hardly melting at all. Remember, they're at the same room temperature. And over here, it's almost completely liquid. So there we go, a demonstration of thermal conductivity, a physical property. Thanks for watching, and Moo Math uploads a new math and science video every day. Please subscribe and share.